Hi everybody, and once again, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for all your support, all of your lovely comments. Yes, today I have a Dollarama haul to share with you. This is the one I was going to tack on to the Dollar Tree haul, but the Dollar Tree haul was a little bit longer than I initially thought, so I thought I'd share this Dollarama haul with you on a separate video. It isn't a substantially large haul, but it is a haul nonetheless, and I know how much you love watching these hauls, and I love sharing them with you. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around at Dollarama, please keep on watching. So as usual, in no particular order, I'm just pulling things out of the bag. We'll start off with this bubble wand. This is a 5 fluid ounce for $1.25, and you can see it is huge. And this is for my nieces because yes, the weather has finally changed. It is now nice and warm, and it's great to be outdoors. Time to get out of the inside and enjoy the sun, and what better way than to be outdoors and enjoy the bubbles and watch those beautiful faces light up, because we've been indoors way too long. Comment down below if you agree. So yeah, so I picked up some bubbles. Pretty boring stuff, but I picked up some of these Scrubber Cleans sponges. These are the non-scratch, non-abrasive. These are one of my favorites, and these were $1.25 for a package of 2. And I like to go through these quite regularly. I don't like to keep my sponges for very long, just, you know, for sanitary reasons. So yeah, these are one of my favorites. I picked up some of the tissue paper. This is in a fuchsia hot pink color, and there's 20 sheets in there, and these were $1.25. Super cute. I picked up this bright green. I'm loving this green. It's a watering can. This one was $3, and it's like a tin aluminum type, and this will be for a DIY, which I hopefully will come around to sharing those with you, because I know a lot of you want to see what I've been up to. I've mentioned this before, but I do post a lot of my things on Instagram. All my social media channels are down below, so if you'd like to follow me there, please do so. I know a lot of us don't have Instagram or Twitter or what have you. So again, I will post videos very shortly of my DIYs. I just have so many videos to share with you. I just have to get around to filming them, editing them, and uploading them. But this I think will be super cute. So I picked up that, and along with that, I picked up these mini houseplant tools. There's 3, a set of 3. And you can see that there. And these were $2. I picked up these Freezy sleeves. There's 4 in a package. Keeps hands clean and warm. And if you've never seen these before, what they're for is to put freezies in here. So again, for those little hands, because sometimes the freezies the packaging can be quite cold, because of course it is frozen, and this will again keep your hands warm. For a package of 4, these were $1.25, and they come with a blue, a bright green, which is almost the same green as this little watering can, a purple, and a pink. So I picked up a few of those for the little ones in my life. I picked up 3 packages of those, because those are hard to find, believe it or not. For my candles, you all know how much I love my Bath and Body Works candles, my 3-wick candles. I don't use a lighter for them, well, a regular lighter. I use one of these because I don't want to burn my hands, just like the little kids don't want to have cold hands. Well, I don't want to burn my hands. So I picked up one of these gas lighters for $1.25. We've all seen these before, but this is a staple in my household. Well, gardening season is here, so I picked up one of these little shovels. Well, not so little, you know, a nice handheld shovel. And this one was $1.50. Usually these last me a season. They probably can last me longer, but I tend to forget it outside, and with the elements, yeah, they don't last all that long. But for $1.50, you can't really beat it. So yeah, so I need these to plant my perennials and my annuals. Can't wait. Oh, I forgot I picked one of these up. I picked up one of these trivets. These have the conversions on here, the liquid temperatures, spoons, metric, imperial. Oh, it's a little, there you go. So I'll show you what I'll be doing with this, but I thought this was really handy to, you know, keep in the kitchen, or, you know, if you're making any baskets for a housewarming, this is really cute to put in there. So picked one of this one is for myself. I picked up one of these serving trays. It is bamboo. This one was $4, and I plan on doing a DIY with this. It has the 2 handles. I don't particularly like this color, so I'll be doing something with that. But I thought for $4, you can't beat it. And this was thanks to one of my friends here on YouTube, and I also know her in person. So Nellie, if you're watching, this is thanks to you. Comment down below and let's welcome Nellie, because she will be having a YouTube channel of her own. I can't wait. I hope you're watching this. And if you are, everyone say hi to her, because she will be fantastic at YouTube. Oh boy, her personality is, you will love her. And I picked up some of these no slip stoppers. These are self-adhesive knobs that protect against scratches, prevent slipping, and muffled noise of doors or drawers being shut. There's 24 pieces for $1.25. Again, these are for my projects. And I told you this was a little haul. And last but not least, I picked up one of these t-shirts. This was new at my Dollarama, this brand anyways. It's by the Gold Toe brand. And this one is a gray color. And they had black, they had white, they had, I believe they had navy. They also had red and pink. A lot of different colors. But I opted for this one. This is an extra large, and this one's not for me. It is for a friend. I don't know how these run, whether or not it is true to size, but I mean, they are super soft, so they look good. I'm just checking out here. It's a 50%, let's see if we can focus on here. It's a 50% polyester, 25% cotton, and 25% rayon blend. Don't know where this came from, but it says here it regularly retails for $15. So I don't know. I personally have not heard of this brand. Comment down below if you have. It is more of a flattering contoured fit, so it's a fit t-shirt rather than a baggier t-shirt, and that's why I picked up the extra large for my friend. But it looks like it's fairly good, so we'll have to see how that works. So yeah, so oh wait, no, that is it. That was my Dollarama haul this time. It wasn't overly large, but I mean, there's a few cute items that I thought you'd all like to see. So let me know down below if you have seen or if you purchased any of these items. And again, once again, I can't thank you enough for all the support you've been showing my channel. Thank you so much. It's been growing thanks to you. So remember to always hit that bell. That will ensure that you're notified each and every time a video is posted, so you'll never ever miss any more of my videos. Remember to share the videos if you know people who love Dollarama hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, or just hauls in general. This is the channel to watch. Remember to share that. And again, like always, thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely, most definitely catch you on another video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone. Have a great and fantastic day. We'll talk very soon.